I got some questions for him. Let's go ask him right now. What's up, you guys?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Good.
Ely, nice to meet you. What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you.
How are you? So real quick, man, I couldn't help but notice you guys have bikes, and I have a few questions for you. So the first one is, how dangerous is riding a bike?
Reasonably.
Reasonably dangerous?
Like this, pretty reasonably.
Yeah, you're supposed to. Aren't you supposed to have like a bunch of padding on? I mean, when you have arms like this, I wouldn't wear anything. So I gotta be honest.
So squidding is like a term that bikers use to refer to someone who doesn't wear a lot of motorcycle gear. So like this is squidding.
Okay.
But it's not something you typically try to do. Yeah.
Squidding. Oh, okay. Well, I don't got arms like you, so I wouldn't be doing squidding anytime soon. I'd be covering it up for sure. They want to get into biking. What's the first step to get into biking?
Get a good helmet.
Get a good helmet.
When I first started riding, I bought a cheap Amazon helmet. It was like 50 bucks, had no safety ratings at all. I didn't know any better. And
really?
So I didn't realize how much risk I was actually in at the time. But yeah,
I feel like 50 bucks is expensive for a helmet. That's cheap?
No, a good, decent helmet would be around 250 to about 400. This helmet was 17.
Biking sounds very expensive. I'm not gonna. That's 17.
1700.
$100. Okay. How important are helmets?
Extreme. I mean, how important is your brain?
I don't really use mine that much, so you're asking the wrong guy. But yeah, that's true. That's very true. That's true. You guys are freaking me out right now because I can hear talking. Wait, are these helmets connected right now?
They are.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. So that's how you communicate with each other. You're like,
dude almost got into an accident. He probably got pulled over for nothing serious.
No, he definitely was doing 100 down the road. Definitely speeding for sure.
Well, we're gonna pass him, and I'm gonna stay passing him.
Pull up on him, be like, "What's up, bro?" Oh wait. Not supposed to be going.
Dude, that dude was fucking made for content creation.
That shit was dope.
He's so chill. I love him.
I've never really seen him on Instagram or any sort.
I see him on TikTok a lot, honestly. And I see him on IG.
How many followers do you have on TikTok?
I don't know, honestly.
He's got, I think, 75,000.
That's not bad.
I got pulled over.
I think Evan.
Kenny, that video you showed me is fucking scarring me, bro. That's just crazy, bro.
Oh my god, Kenny. Fucking animal, bro.
Nah.
He didn't even break 25 there, bro.
How the fuck did he do that so slow?
Bad skill. Dude's working your bike. Yeah, it's gonna be actually an extra 500 for maintenance.
Oh, it's belt driven, bro.
It's belt driven, bro.
I gotta try this on there.
We going right or left? Good shit.
What is it?
That is so fucked up. There goes the clutch.
He's selling it. It's alright.
For the cell with a intact motor, though.
Oh, no way. I'm going straight. Who is that?
It's Evan, dude.
That's not Evan. That's a gray R1.
You look like Evan.
That's a gray R1. It's an older R1. Hey, do really get the kid out of trouble. God damn, buddy. Go. Jesus, dude. That's not Evan.
It's not?
No.
It looked like him.
It looks kind of like him, dude.
Dude, it's a gray R1, and it's not the year that he has.
You sure?
100%, dude. I looked close.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go left at the light.
Alright, sounds good. I know that's not him. What the fuck you looking at, dumb bitch?
Why did he react like that when he saw us, though? I was like, I think it is an older R1. I can't tell, though. He's got fucking hella cops on him, though.
Look, it's the older R1.
I don't know who that is, but he's got the Federals on him.
Let me scoot next to you so they don't see me.
Yeah, he like put his arms up. I was like, who the... Kenny tweaking. He's like, I'm
tweaking, bro. Kenny has a plate and he's tweaking.
Kenny, why are you revving, bro?
I'm not revving. That was not me, dude. Oh, dude, I'm scared as fuck. Who is that?
What are you worried about? I just wanted to...
No. The cops are looking at us.
Yeah, he's telling us to come over there. We're good. Fuck you, buddy.
That is so weird. I don't know who the fuck that is, bro.
Why does he keep fucking...
I don't know. I don't know who that is.
That sucks. Yeah, I ain't going over there.
He's trying to get a picture.
Yeah, so I can't help you.
Would.
I would stop if I knew him, but I don't know who the fuck that is, so that sucks. That tough.
I'm just so confused as why he was waving us to come over there.
Yeah, that's why I'm weirded out about it. Like, what the fuck was that?
Bro's like putting a bat signal up like we're gonna do anything.
He's trying to put it on us, bro.
And there's another one to the left. He's fucking waving us over. Come on. I was like, what? He goes, I don't know.
I can't help you, buddy. Like, you got yourself in this situation.
Right. Hey, that cop is coming behind us.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Oh, what do we do? Fucker, man. God damn it. I swear to God. Huh? Don't you dare run, I swear to God.
Yeah, because then...
We've done nothing.
I didn't do shit. Hey, Ross, is my plate flipped down?
No, you're good. It's
cool.
flipped down, yeah.
Hey, that lady has a dab fucking pen in her fucking hand.
Hell yeah. Denise is just fucked, though.
Yeah. Y'all had excessive acceleration on that light.
Dude, it's a Harley. I can't aggressively accelerate on this if I tried.
Fuck you. We're going super fast, man.
Sir, this is a 3-cylinder. What the fuck you think I got, 4?
Yeah.
Kenny, just chill out, bro. We're fine. We didn't do anything wrong.
Who are you talking about, bro?
I can literally see it in your body language. You're like about to tweak.
He's about to run.
You got the fucking biggest bike in the world behind you, blocking your plate. Bro. You good?
You got stickers on it? Yeah, you're totally fine. I'm straight, bro. I don't know what this dude's talking about. And his fucking feet are shaking. Dude, they're not.
The cops are trying to ruin the Florida trip, bro.
You better not ruin this Florida trip for real. I'm about to fuck his ass up.
Wait, he was holding a dog.
He was
What the fuck?
Damn, that bitch almost hit him. He liked the bikes too much.
Broke her neck.
She senses that I'm tingling throughout my whole body.
I wonder if that dude's waving those guys over too.
I don't wave shit. That cop's like, hey, go follow the bikes over.
Ah, damn it. Fucking stuck at this light again.
Are you fucking kidding me? I'm out of here.
Kenny just splits it. See ya.
Like too heavy to be fucking around like this.
I'm chill.
Oh, God.
This feels good.
I got a fucking car engine between my legs cooking my biscuits.
That's 2,500 cc's.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, I did not know that.
Dude, it literally rocks over when you rev it.
That's crazy.
Dude, I feel invincible right now. I'm like, I'm on a hogger. I literally can't get a ticket, bro.
You'd be the one getting the ticket.
Quit
I'm
revving the
running.
bike, bro.
Because I'm running.
Stop it. You're gonna get excessive revving, noise, complaints.
I don't even think he's behind us, bro. I think he
There's a couple cars behind us. Oh, I know. I have eyes in the back of my head, on God.
I'm gonna turn right up here so we don't go into Parma.
The piggy sense. Bro, I just saw Canes. I'm fucking hungry. I should not have saw
I
that.
fucking got it earlier.
Well,
Oh, shit.
here's the problem. If we pull into any of these businesses here, we're definitely getting pulled over. But if I turn right up here, there's a chance he may not follow us.
Pull over for what though?
Actually,
I don't know.
he might have went into the hospital. It was a white cop car, to be fair. It was. It said Southwest General Police.
Oh, well then, fuck, dude, that's the hospital police.
Yeah, I didn't say nothing.
Why are we tweaking?
I ain't, dude. I
They
don't
got
know.
no jurisdiction out here. They don't care.
Fuck the cocksuckers, dude. Anyone with lights on top of their cars, dude, they could honestly kiss my ass. Right, any running lights on top of your car, bro, you're federal. It could be a goddamn work light, and I'll be like, yeah, fuck you.
Work light.
That's why I'm glad I got the lights on top of the tow truck, girl. He's part of the police.
Yeah.
I'm basically, bro, I use those medians, you know, you're not supposed to use to get around the other side of the highway. I'd be missing exits. I'm like, using the median. Fuck you. Put the lights on and shit.
Yeah, ain't nobody behind us. We're good. Nobody breaking our freedom today.
He's driving his girlfriend's car. Man, my car broke down.
State trooper just runs up and tackles Kenny off his bike.
Sorry, buddy. I would never do. I'm actually a really respectful guy.
I'm gonna turn right up here, so we don't go.
Can we get on the highway or what?
Where?
Are you scared? You're scared to use the hogger on the highway? Damn, bro, what the fuck?
All right, fine. Well, I'm going south though. I don't want to go towards Cleveland. It's gonna be cold up there.
This is south, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'll take 71 south. That's fine.
Yeah, let's go.
Slippery.
I'm not gonna be able to hear you on the highway though.
I just want to do some wheelies.
Holy shit.
I was like, what is that?
Fuck that shit. I bet you the pier is popping right now.
It's gonna be cold up there though. I don't want to fucking go up there.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying. I bet you there's a lot of fucking idiots.
You get a lot of neck breaks, huh?